Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can insert vertical as well as horizontal brackets and braces into Lucidchart diagrams in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, there are two ways how you can do this. You can add vertical as well as horizontal brackets. Let me show you how to do that. So option number one, you navigate to shapes. And here guys, next to flowchart, for example, you will see these brackets like these. These are the vertical brackets, for example. So click into it and you will see the bracket here with some text. You can of course delete the text or add or type in a custom text and simply use the other half of the bracket or brace to edit and to create your brackets. Now if you'd like to add these horizontal brackets, you won't find these in the shapes or flowchart feature, but below here on the left hand side in the containers feature, under containers, and select one of these. Now, as you can see, the vertical ones are here as well, the double braces, double brackets, so you can use actually the same option or method. But there are also these horizontal braces and brackets. Click into them, and that's basically it. Here to the right, you will be given the opportunity to customize these, fill them with content, change the layout, and so on and so forth. And option number three actually would be to simply add a text box like this. Let me just zoom in. Click into the text and simply enter or type in the bracket here on your keyboard. Like that one or that one. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.